I promise you this, the iPhone 17 Pro Max back camera upgrade is bigger than Apple made it sound. There's a new piece of hardware hiding behind those lenses, and it completely transforms your photos and videos. The new back camera system is easily one of the most impressive changes Apple has made in years, and there are a few features that Apple barely talked about, but they make a massive difference in real-world use. So let's break it all down in simple, friendly language. Alright, first things first. Yes, the iPhone 17 Pro Max still has the triple camera layout, but the hardware behind those lenses is completely new. Here's what changed. A new 1-inch main sensor, the largest sensor ever in an iPhone, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens with sharper details, a digital zoom up to 15x, and a new AI-powered Fusion Engine 2 to combine multiple shots instantly. Now, I know a 1-inch sensor or Fusion Engine might sound like camera geek language, but here's the simple version. Everything looks brighter, cleaner, smoother, and way more detailed, even if you know nothing about photography. This upgrade is all about making your photos look like they came from a high-end camera, without you having to think about settings. Let's talk about the main sensor, the new 1-inch sensor. If you're wondering why people are excited, think of it like this. A bigger sensor, chart more light, chart, better photos. It's really that simple. With this new sensor, the iPhone 17 Pro Max can capture more detail in shadows, keep highlights from blowing out, take cleaner photos at night, reduce grain, and create more natural background blur without portrait mode. If you've ever tried taking a photo indoors or at night and it came out blurry or noisy, this sensor fixes that. And the crazy part, you'll notice the improvement immediately, even even without zooming in. Next up, the ultra-wide camera. It jumps to 48 megapixels, which is huge because ultra-wide lenses usually look softer and less detailed. Not anymore. You'll see sharper edges, better texture, and way better color accuracy. It also gets improved macro performance, meaning close-up photos, like flowers, insects, food shots, look incredibly crisp. Basically, the ultra-wide finally feels like a Pro Max lens, not the backup camera. Now let's talk about the feature everyone is buzzing about, the new 15x digital zoom. It's not too zoomed in to be shaky, and not too wide to lose detail. Here's what's improved. Better stabilization for handheld zoom shots, clearer details when photographing faraway objects, cleaner night zoom photos thanks to the new sensor, faster autofocus, so zoom shots don't blur. For everyday use, this means better stadium photos, better stage shots at concerts, better wildlife photos, better travel photos without walking closer. And thanks to Apple's new AI processing, even digital zoom beyond 15x looks surprisingly clean. Alright video shooters, this part's for you. Apple made several under-the-radar changes that make the iPhone 17 Pro Max one of the best smartphone video cameras ever. Here's what's new. 4K recording at 120 FPS on the main lens, better low-light stabilization, cleaner footage when panning, sharper detail in textures like hair, grass, and clothing. Improved cinematic mode with better edge detection. But the most noticeable improvement? Dynamic range. This means your videos won't blow out bright skies or lose detail in darker areas. Everything looks smoother, more balanced, and more professional camera-ish. So what reigns? If you vlog, shoot family videos, or record for TikTok, this jump will be super obvious. Now, here's something you won't see in Apple's ads, but it's one of the biggest changes. The new Fusion Engine 2 uses machine learning to merge multiple photos instantly, even when recording video. What does that mean for you? Faster photos. No more delay between tapping the shutter and the photo being taken, more accurate colors, less over-sharpening, better skin tones in every lighting condition. It also helps reduce noise in nighttime photos without making them look fake or smoothed out. Basically, the camera feels smarter. It fixes common photo issues automatically, so even beginners get great results. So what does all this mean in everyday use? Your photos have more detail, your night shots don't fall apart, zoom photos actually look good, ultra-wide shots don't look soft, and video quality finally takes a noticeable leap. The iPhone 17 Pro Max camera system isn't just an upgrade, it feels like a whole new generation. And that's the full breakdown of the iPhone 17 Pro Max's back camera upgrade. If you want more simple tech explainers like this, make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.